It's official. The peacocks have started a craze. Now the chickens are also living on the Jaguar. In fact, the peacocks have been ousted altogether and they're looking pretty peevish about it. This is a particularly good outfit today, Marie.
Thank you. Are you saying I'm not dressed properly every day?
No, you always look delightful. I think it's the camera. The camera makes a really good accessory.
Yeah, that's why I bought it.
I've been sitting here.
What is this? Are you busy with this one?
To be fair, I haven't opened that one, so that's not as bad as it looks. Down to just this. I'm extremely busy. I've been sitting here trying to get on top of admin for 10 hours. I'm going slightly stir crazy, hence this.
Hence this. So Stephanie, this is the dress.
Oh my god, this is the one you got in the shop.
Yes.
I love it.
I can love it on you.
I can already tell you that I'm not getting into that in a million years. Look at that.
You're so skinny.
No, you. No, I actually have a human rib cage. This was made for a fairy pixie. Actually, this is a fairy pixie dress.
I just love it though. It's so beautiful.
I completely love it. And this was €10.
10 euros.
Thank you for finding that.
No problem. I love it, and I love you. Oh, look at you.
Okay, I'll have to change the back so that. Well,
Yeah.
there's no time like the present.
No. Okay. Stop.
It's going on over
It's actually
everything.
gonna work.
Do-do-do-do-do.
She's getting undressed.
Though actually, technically, I'm getting dressed.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's not what you know. Just oh god. Let's get the corset.
If I make a new waistline
Yeah.
and then just an open back, would that work?
That would be very sexy.
Thank you. What do you think?
I love it. It's
Yeah?
beautiful.
I like the sleeves.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel there's sleeves for drinking wine. We should have sleeves like this all the time. Cheers.
And I got this for free because they love me so much. They gave it to me for free.
Oh, they're so kind.
I know. So there we go.
You're like a land girl. Perfect.
All I need now is a Land Rover.
Well, that's good. That's good. That's a good one.
That's a good one.
That's a really good. Put that on with the scarf.
So this is the robe I got.
I'm
Another
so jealous
robe.
of the robe. It's so awesome. You look as though you stepped out of the 1950s. Look at the pretty new speaker that I ordered. I keep looking at it, thinking how this is the colour that I would like my room to be. My room has grey silk walls, but as you can see, is still not quite finished because I'm finding it a bit of a nightmare to upholster, and just a white panelling. And it's never really felt complete. Only thing I truly love about this room is this view of my father's painting when I wake up every morning. But now I'm thinking that if I could incorporate this colour into the panelling, it could work. I've woken up all fired up with the thought of painting my room, so I've come to the DIY shop as usual to get some paint. Back home with the paint, and this room has basically been a big problem from the start for me. The walls are still not completely finished, and I just don't think I'm a beige person. This is supposed to be the colour for all the woodwork. Ooh, it's gonna be girly in here. And this is a contrast colour to have on the panelling. It's quite a soft, muted collection of pinks. And then a gold will be added as well. Well, that's the plan. Now let's see the reality. Here we go, first bit of paint going on to get an idea of the colour. It seems quite bright now. I'd wanted something fairly grey and muted. Right, that's the light pink going on. Now I need to add the darker pink. I'm not convinced. It's so close to what I want, but it's not quite there yet. I don't know why I got the mania to start painting my bedroom when we've got guests downstairs and we have to eat in 11 minutes. But I just had to see the colour on the wall to get an idea of what it'll be like. I'm about to have to down tools and carry on tomorrow. Apparently it's National Day in Norway, so the whole chateau is celebrating with Marie, and we're going to be singing the anthem.
They celebrate with their flags, have their national costume on, and they, get ready and dress, the champagne brunch, and, all party.
Well, hang on, we did not have a champagne brunch.
I know, we missed out. I have one for myself. For starter is toast with olive and salt, and there's a beet hummus, followed by shallot, onion, and cheese. Bon appetit!
The Nocturne, a beautiful piece written by Tchaikovsky.
Oh,
very nice.
Wow. That's amazing.
My suggestion is to play the national song is actually anthem, and then we sing all together.
Okay, Marie, you're leading the way now, yeah?
We don't mind pronunciation.
That is very lucky.
Many times.
You sang this with the Norwegian king.
With the Norwegian king and Lillehammer, I did. Yes, true. Yes. So what does it mean now, I wonder?
Marie is our overlord. Oh yay, oh yay.
There's a lemon tart.
This is your baby.
Yeah, and I did it a bit Norwegian style, just putting a lot of sliced strawberries on.
On a lemon tart? Is that Norwegian?
Well, I love lemon tart, and I'm Norwegian, and...
So now it's Norwegian.
Yes.
So you've just made it up, and you're saying it's Norwegian.
Norwegian style.
Yes.
I found the last colour a little bit too modern and too bright, so I found this paint by Liberon. And Liberon have been making paint for over 100 years. And this velours de peinture has casein in. And that's a dairy product which makes the paint extremely powdery, very, very matte. I'm going to try this colour now. Already I'm thinking this is a better colour. This is a slightly more ancient, historic colour.
So while the others are outside drinking rosé wine, Stephanie is inside painting.
Well, I can't party with everybody because I've got this sudden obsession. I mean, it's really an obsession to get my room painted.
I see. It looks amazing.
You like it?
Yeah, and you're kind of matching today's outfit.
I do try to do that at all times.
Yeah.
This room was not colourful enough for me. It was sucking my very soul out.
Sucking your soul up.
The lack of colour was, yes.
Okay. Still a little bit to go.
Most of the room, in fact.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Too much to do at Lalande.
I know. And I'm not convinced this was a priority.
Oh, really?
But, well, the loss of my soul was a bit of a priority.
Yeah.
What would we have done if the soul had completely disappeared?
We wouldn't exist.
No.
No.
So it was a priority after all.
Yes.
Oh, Maxime, you're so talented. Maxime's a volunteer from Russia and he is an amazing artist.
Thanks.
Look at Thor. You've captured him on the chateau. Marie's flowers in front of the chapel. Yeah, you've captured life at Lalande. It's beautiful. Thank you. Hello, Sif. How are things outside? How's the weather? So where are you off to in the cycling outfit today?
I'm going to the source of the Indre.
It's a little bit like going to discover the source of the Nile.
Yes, it's just somewhat less sandy.
What an intrepid explorer you are. I also have an adventure because our catwalk show is in only 2 weeks now and I'm at rehearsals. It's going to be performed in the home of my great friend Cyril Huvet. He's an amazing concert pianist and he's transformed this barn into a concert hall and he'll be performing all of the music during the show. Dana and I are practicing our moves. She's wearing this awesome leather dress as one of her outfits and I'm practicing making the Brigitte Bardot dress shake. Marie, you look amazing in my bedroom. You have to wear that every time we watch a movie in here.
I feel like a grandma.
You don't look like a grandma. And you're just making me love my colour choice even more.
Yeah? Right?
Yeah. I mean, that violent pink ribbon does definitely have to be changed, but the rest is perfect.
Should I just stay here as a decoration for your room?
Yes, please.
At all times, ready to get you a cup of tea.
Oh my god, that sounds perfect. But first, we have to watch Ant-Man.
Yes. Are you done?
So Marie just came into my room and asked why there was water running. I forgot that I was running the bath.
What are you doing with that paintbrush?
I know. Well, I'm multitasking and I can't multitask. I'm trying to paint and run a bath at the same time, and that's one too many activities for me. I haven't managed to get dressed yet today because it was too urgent to start painting immediately.
Too urgent.
I'm just too excited about it.
You're doing a great job, Stephanie.
Well, thank you very much, Marie. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I've just been painting Rose.
So we're all painting today.
All painting today. Painting day.
I think I just saw a blob and now I can't remember where I saw the blob.
Oh no, the phone is
Oh no,
calling.
the phone's ringing. Oh my goodness.
Stephanie, are you getting that?
The wheels are coming off. I'm getting it. There was a blob. I can't remember where the blob was. I'm not making on time. You know the phone only rings.
Oh my
twice.
god!
I missed it.
Oh no.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for the blob, but I can't find it. We're just going to have to move on from the blob now.
What about the tractor, Stephanie?
What about the tractor, Marie?
We need to move it before you go tomorrow.
It's like having my mother here. I'm just trying to get on with my job and you're giving me chores.
Well, we can't have the tractor outside. I think your mother would appreciate it going back to where
I'm
it
sure she
usually
would.
goes.
That's why it's just like having my mother here.
Oh well.
Fine, I'll move the tractor.
When?
Oh, you're unbelievable. When I finish painting everything that I see pink, including you. Maddie is looking much better in here.
Yeah, ish. I've been painting.
Well done.
Yes.
So you've been tidying up the skirting board.
Yes, here. And this window part. Just get it nice.
Lovely view from this room.
Here, lots of scratches. And moving the beds and then making it look nice and clean.
We're all on fire today because Ian is here as well. And Ian is measuring up for a shower door. Because at the moment we only have a curtain. We've moved on to Bonne Maman. Marie's doing the laundry and Ian is looking at lots of little bits and pieces that need fixing in here. And Marie, I want to talk to you about your flowers because they're so awesome. What's in this bouquet?
Just from the garden, really. Irises, because we have loads of iris in the garden. Lilac still, some lilac.
Lilac, we call it.
Lilac.
But lilac is even nicer.
Yes. And they
I
smell
like lilac.
amazing.
Is this the big bush outside the kitchen?
Yes.
The mock orange blossom?
Yeah.
That's the best smell in the world.
It's beautiful. So, yeah. Simple, green, and from the garden.
Love it.
Yeah.
Another shower door being fitted.
Another shower door with twin doors sliding.
Now, I think we have this one though.
Oh, do we?
I think so.
We know where it is. I've never seen it anywhere.
I wonder if it's in the spiral staircase.
One behind the spiral staircase.
Yes, one always keeps one shower door in the
Of course.
spiral staircase.
And an old tin flue.
Yes. This is the reality of chateau life, isn't it? Open a tiny door into a 16th century spiral staircase and find all of the building equipment being stored.
It truly is through the wardrobe door.
I love the fact that behind you there's actually a box just as wallpaper steamer on it.
That's my box. That's my wallpaper
That's your
steamer.
wallpaper steamer, you lent it to me.
Surprising I didn't get it back.
You see how well I'm looking after it though?
Yes, yes.
I love this bathroom. It's really one of my favourites. Oh, there's your van. Messing up my
Very
courtyard.
French bleu. Very bleu.
It's a very cheery looking van. So here, Ian, as you can see, I have this really stunning bath, which was original to the chateau.
Yeah, and it's cast iron. I've never seen a cast iron with this shaping.
Yeah,
And not that amount of detail. I think it's beautiful.
yeah, I think it's an amazing one, but the problem is, it doesn't reach the ground, and so we need a skirting that can somehow go around the bottom.
We need to make a plinth.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a problem. I'll get my tape measure and my pad.
I'm leaving for London now, and although I'm really excited to be back in the city, I'm quite sad to leave because I just want to get on with my bedroom and finish it. But I'm taking samples of the colours with me so that I can find beautiful braiding in London or Paris to edge the walls. The pink has all been painted now. I just have to decide exactly how I'm going to finish the edging. I've tried it 3 ways, one with a darker pink, one with a white, and one with just gold. And I think I'm leaning to the gold, and as soon as I get back, I'll finish it.
Hello.
Good morning!
Morning.
Oh, you're so lovely to me. I can't believe you brought me tea.
Going to miss you.
I'm going to miss you so much.
Oh.